Hello, my name's Brendan Connolly. It's in 1942 there was a plane crash up in Since Liberator and 15 pilots lost their life. There was 4 survivors, so I'm going up with this wreath to put it up at the plane crash site. So I'm just going up the mountain now. Going up this one. I'm just going up, taking the wreath up the mountain. It was a man that died 80 years ago. They were coming from Egypt to fly to England to fly Spitfires back into the war. I think I heard years ago. So I'm going up to do this wreath for the 15 men that died. There was 4 survivors. So hopefully we have a good day for it, so all will go well. Probably 3, isn't it? Anyway, hopefully we'll make it up okay. Right. Nearly there, there was over, and nearly once we get over this little bump. The plane crash site is not far from here. Here we go. The plane crash site is just over there. We're nearly here. A few more meters to go. 100 meters, maybe less. We're nearly there. Right, the plane crash site is over here. There's the original plaque. I put one up 6 years ago, and then there's one being put up recently. So, with a sculpture of the Liberator bomber. So hopefully we'll see that in a minute. Anyway, we're heading over. Okay, thank you. Over here. Head over now. Head over this point. This will be the best point to head over. A few more. Is this over here? Hello, in 1942 a plane left from Egypt to fly to England to fly pilots back into the war, to fly Spitfires back into the war, but as they were heading to England they were told to turn back and there was bad weather, so they decided to go on, the pilot, and the crash up in St. Loch Mountain here at this site. So I'm going to let us read in memory of the 15 men that lost their life 80 years ago in the 16th of March 1942. Right, putting the wreath down there. There you go. Right, there you go. A wee plane on my plaque. I'm really thankful. Thank you so much, whoever did it. I really appreciate that. Oh, I don't believe it. Oh, wow, thank you. It's still here after 6 years. Oh, it's great. Thank you. Thank you so much. I really thank you. Anyway, this is my plaque that I put up for Connolly. Carrie took this up the mountain. It was too heavy for me, so Connor, my friend, Carrie Connolly from Cross Cause in Blackrock, helped me take this up the mountain, and we put it up here in memory of the men that died. There's a box underneath. There was bits of glass and rivets, and I put them in and got them blessed and put it under, so it's like a kind of a cross. So anyway, Here we go. It's March the 16th, 2022, 80 years after it crashed in 1942, March the 16th, the day before St. Patrick's Day.